just take
So
this off real
basically,
quick.
we're gonna build a
Oh yeah, bet. Ha, bro. Okay, just don't move and you'll be okay. So basically, this means, yeah.
Oh, I gotta get
You're
something.
telling
I
me hold
forgot.
it like yeah. So hold it like that, and yeah. I'm so tired, bro. This basic shit. Yeah, I know about that, and we would have been alive if you didn't save us. Yo, bro, how's my steak? A little bit raw, needs more cooking. Alright, yeah, just get it finished. What the heck is wrong with this camera? Location is compromised. Retreat immediately.
Do you see
Yes,
that?
I see that! Get down!
Alright, I gotta
Get ready! Wait, don't shoot! When he gets in, we shoot. Wait, bro, what's that? I'm gonna... Wait a minute, he's gonna explode! Get ready! Oh, hell no! Oh, watch out! Oh, that tastes... You're saying that and you just ate him! I know. Oh, looks like she's here. Who is she? What the heck? Snack break without me? How dare you? Anyways, give me some! Alright, here. What the heck? Why is it so tiny? 2 in 1? Wait a minute. This is real! You threw it! Hell no, I gotta get my gun. You really thought you could defeat me with that? Come here, little bro. How dare you? Seriously? Look how we're losing the war against the Astros. I thought we were stronger. So, hey, you got me saying that. Hey, that's bad. Hey, stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop saying that! Stop or else. Stop. I told you to stop. That's bad. The Full Boom presents. Well, you said it wrong. Looks like it's on. Time to put this camera on you, little bro. Hey, what the heck are you looking at? That's my camera. Oh la la! Hey, help me! Let me just put this on. So we put this camera on you so we can see you fight. And you, 3 of you, what are you doing here? We're gonna teleport and battle in like 3 seconds. So say goodbye. Alright. Why is the teleporting sound so loud? Hey dude, come over here. Alright. What do you want? Can I have a hug? No. Grab onto something else. La. Looks like something over here. What the heck are you doing? Do you really think this is funny? Well, kinda. Around you and see, is this the future or the past? I need you to tell me. We're not gonna be able to teleport if you don't answer. Hey bro, I don't see anything. My eyes. What the heck was that? Look over here. Tell me if this is the future or the past. Well, it's an older version of me. It's scientist too, so this is the past. Correct. We can teleport. Anyways, this is Larry. Larry answered wrong, so we left him here to rot. So now you see, if you answer wrong, you can't get to teleport. Understand? Yes, I know. Now let's